I'm having trouble with the family across the street. I think one of them may have set a fire in my house. And I don't know why, but I feel like it's got something to do with my friend who killed herself. I called the police, but they didn't take me seriously. This family's got a secret, a bad secret. I think I'm in over my head. I need you to find out everything there is to know about Paul Young and his family. Do you think you can help me?
As a matter of fact, I know I can.
Susan Meyer hired you.
I know. She decided to start poking around in your life and called me of all people. Lucky for you, I've got the biggest ad in the phone book.
What am I going to do?
Run. Pack up your kid and get out of town.
That's tricky. My son doesn't want to move. He can be pretty insistent.
Well, I can throw her off the scent for a while.
Fine.
All right, then. Tell me exactly what it is you want this woman to believe. She was born Angela. But when she was a teenager, she changed her name to Mary Alice. Now, on her application, it says that she was named after a relative that she no longer speaks to. Now, here's her birth certificate and her Utah petition for a legal name change.
What about Dana?
There was a record of another child. A girl. Dana Marie Young died at 18 months, apparently from some kind of fall.
It was all true. Everything he said. How could I have been so wrong?
Well, I'm going to need a check.
Oh, of course. Actually, before you go, I need you to check into someone else's background. There's this plumber I know.
You hired a private investigator?
I can't trust Mike, and I want to find out what really happened. From a source that doesn't have an agenda. Now, open it up.
Okay. You ready?
Go. Stop.
What?
Okay, if you find out something that's really bad, just try to put a positive spin on it.
Okay. I have some good news and some bad news.
Give me the bad news first.
The guy Mike killed was a cop.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Give me the good news.
There is none.
What?
You told me to spin it. I did the best I could.
Oh, forget it. Just let me look at it myself. I think I'm in over my head. I need you to find out everything there is to know about Paul Young and his family. I think I'm in over my head. I need you to find out everything there is to know about Paul Young and his family.
She decided to start poking around in your life and called me of all people. She decided to start poking around in your life and called me of all people. I can throw her off the scent for a while. I can throw her off the scent for a while.
Just try to put a positive spin on it. Just try to put a positive spin on it.
You told me to spin it. I did the best I could. You told me to spin it. I did the best I could.